Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning how to make fish soup. To make our fish soup, we will need fish with bones, like fish head and fish tail, tofu, tomatoes, sliced ginger, kabocha, fish balls, which is optional, chicken stock is also optional, you can use water instead, and shrimp, which is optional too. We are adding cabbage because we're eating this with noodles. You don't have to add cabbage. All the ingredients will be in the description below. And while you're down there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Preheat your wok, put some oil in it, and then put the fish head and fish tail in there. Meanwhile, boil some water for the soup. When the water is finished boiling, turn down the heat to low. Cook the fish for 5 minutes, then flip it and cook for another 5 minutes. After you flip the fish, put the ginger around the fish randomly. Cookie is very tired. He needs a nap. After the timer ends, pour all the hot water onto the fish and ginger. If you have chicken stock, you pour it right in with the water. After around 20 minutes, you pour all the fish and water and stock into a strainer and strain it into the container you used to boil the water. If you feel there is not enough water in the soup, you can always add a bit more. Add the tomato, fish ball, tofu, and finally the cabbage. Add white pepper according to taste. Then add the kabocha. Cook the kabocha for about 5 minutes until soft. Add the prawns, then add salt according to taste, and you're done! Add salt and pepper all over the fish. Preheat the cast iron pan until it is smoking hot for about 5 minutes. Add oil to the hot pan, then put the fish into the pan. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side. If you want crispy skin all around, fry the sides too. Add some sweet soy sauce and freshly squeezed lemon juice and you're done with the side dish.
No microphone. I really like this fish soup. I hope you enjoy it too. Thanks for watching and see you next time.